Snap Lock Balusters, made by Titan, made in the USA. These are the best balusters around because they make it easy peasy to put together. Put your hardware at the bottom and the top if you do your layout. Snap them in just like that. Friction fit caps. That's about it. And the good part is that you can do this after the deck is all done. With the competitors' balusters can't do that. They got to go in first, and then you have to fight everyone trying to put them on. This is no fighting.
Would you be able to tell us how you got the things that are stuck in the wood?
Screwed. They come with stainless steel screws. And that's what holds the hardware to the railing. Just put a cap on top, cap on bottom. They face opposite ways, of course, because one's up, one's down. Stick it on there, snap, snap, done.
Well, thank you. And your name?
My name is Matt Roush from Paint and Texture Plus.